let's make this rub that we're gonna put on the chops, okay? The cast of characters. Little ground cumin, okay? That's gonna take kind of the lead in this. So a little bit of cumin. Just a touch of paprika. A lot of time when I'm making rubs, like for blackening spice, paprika takes the big lead. This is just gonna get a touch, some nice color coming out of this. There we go. And believe it or not, the whole thing of cayenne, no, I'm just kidding, just a touch of cayenne. There we go. And some salt, okay? So we kind of mix that together. Now what I'm gonna do is reserve this. Take about half of this mixture and hold on to it, because that's gonna be actually going into our Charmoula sauce, which is gonna have some fresh herbs in it and some lemon juice. You're gonna love this, okay? Get about half of that here. There we go. So I gotta cut all these, hit them with a little bit of olive oil, sprinkle them with some of that seasoning I just made, let them hang out for about 30 minutes before I put them on the hot grill. You know, when you're battering something, you're doing some Parmesan chicken, you have the dry hand, wet hand. Well, I have the dry hand, lamb hand. One to rub it all in, but I want you to take a look at that. Look at that beautiful chop right there. All rubbed in with that spices. It is gonna be dynamite. Okay, throwing these onto a really hot grill. Now, we've got some cumin in there, a little cayenne, a little bit of paprika. Cut these myself. These are Frenched, meaning cleaning the bone off. And I'm gonna make a Charmoula sauce for this that you are gonna dig. Okay, gotta keep an eye on those chops. There's a tendency, you know, that people think with lamb and with pork that you really gotta overcook it. And my thing is boy, I wanna have a little pink in the middle. Okay, so in go the onions. Okay, so what I gotta do, I gotta chop up the onions, get some garlic in, the parsley, the cilantro, zest some lemon juice in there. Remember some of that seasoning that I put on the lamb? That goes in. That will be my Charmoula. Watch this happen. All right, get a little taste on this. Primo. Not too much salt, that's the key. All right, that's ready to go. Let's see, I got my hash working. Take a look at these chops. My grilled lamb chops with Charmoula are smoky grilled, tender lamb chops that are simply seasoned and served with a fragrant, spicy Moroccan Charmoula sauce. It's an outrageously good herb and onion mixture that takes grilled meat to the next level.